Everybody, today topic is saline cathartic. What is saline cathartic? Saline cathartic or purgative are the agent that quicken and increase evacuation from the bowel. Laxative are mild cathartic. And what is saline cathartic? Saline cathartic are principally salt of poorly absorbable ion which thereby increase the osmotic load on the intestinal tract. Cathartic are used to ease defecation in patients with painful hemorrhoid or other rectal disorders and to avoid excessive straining and concurrent increase in abdominal pressure in patients with hernias or to avoid potentially hazardous rise in BP during defecation in patients with hypertension, cerebral, coronary or arterial disease or to relieve acute constipation or to remove solid material from intestinal tract prior to certain röntgenographic studies. The hypertonicity is relieved by the secretion of addition fluid into the intestinal tract. Saline cathartic increase the bulk in the intestine, stimulate peristalsis and bowel movement. सेलाइन कैथार्टिक मेनली क्या करते हैं ये क्या करते हैं कि बल्क इंक्रीज करते हैं जिसकी वजह से पेरिस्टाल्सिक मूवमेंट हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में प्रोड्यूस होता है और बाउल बाहर निकलता है. जब बॉडी में एक्सेसिव लॉस हो जाता है इसकी वजह से हम सेलाइन कैथार्टिक जब हम लेते हैं तो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एज इन रिड्यूस नोजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग. और इसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या क्या हैं? सोडियम पोटेशियम टार्ट्रेट, मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. 3 तरह के कैथार्टिक हैं, लग्जेटिव, परगेटिव एंड क्या लग्जेटिव किस में आते हैं? माइल्ड कैथार्टिक में आते हैं. लग्जेटिव किस में आते हैं? माइल्ड कैथार्टिक में और परगेटिव स्ट्रॉन्ग कैथार्टिक. लग्जेटिव should only be used for the short-term therapy as prolonged use may lead to loss of spontaneous bowel rhythm upon which normal evacuation depends, causing patient to become dependent on laxative. It is so called laxative effect. What is constipation? Insufficient intestine motility or peristalsis leading to constipation. Insufficient bowel movement or infrequent bowel movement and small hard pass stool called constipation. Constipation is the infrequent or difficult evacuation of feces. It may be due to the person resisting the natural urge to defecate, causing the fecal material which remain in the colon to lose fluid and to become relatively dry and hard. Constipation can also be due to intestinal atony, intestinal spasm, emotion, drug and diet. Many a time. Constipation is relieved by non-therapeutic measures like increasing the fiber content of daily diet intake. अगर हम अपने खाने में ज़्यादा फाइबरस फूड लेंगे तो कॉन्स्टिपेशन से हम छुटकारा पा सकते हैं. क्या पा सकते हैं? कि हमें कॉन्स्टिपेशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. If इट फेल द लग्जेटिव एंड परगेटिव आर यूज्ड। अगर फाइब्रस फूड लेने से काम नहीं चलता है, फाइब्रस फूड जैसे ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स हो गई, पालक है ना, ये एप्पल, ये सारी अगर हम वेजिटेबल्स लेंगे, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, इस तरह के अगर मटेरियल हम फूड में लेते हैं, कंज्यूम करते हैं, तो क्या है कि कॉन्स्टिपेशन से प्रॉब्लम से हमें छुटकारा मिल सकता है। लेकिन अगर तब भी प्रॉब्लम जैसी की तैसी रहती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, इफ़ इट फेल द लग्जेटिव एंड परगेटिव आर यूज्ड। अगर इससे नहीं होता है तो हम लग्जेटिव और परगेटिव लेते हैं डाइट में। इन द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ देयर एक्शन डिपेंड ऑन डोज। और इंटेंसिटी क्या होगी, इसकी डोज पे डिपेंड करेगी। लग्जेटिव एलिमिनेट सॉफ्ट सेमी सॉलिड रेस्टूल्स एंड परगेटिव लीड्स टू वाटरी इवैक्यूएशन। The order of effectiveness is described as follows. Evacuate का मतलब होता है to empty, purgative means to clean, cathartic means to completely clean. Types of laxative: bulb forming laxative, osmotic laxative, lubricant laxative, surfactant laxatives. These are the types of laxative. Next, bulk forming laxative. Bulk forming laxative absorb liquid in the intestine. This create a bulky, more liquid like stool that softer the easier to pass. Common bulk forming laxative include metamucil, psyllium, polycarbophil and methyl cellulose. Bulk forming laxative are made from cellulose, sodium carboxyl methyl cellulose and carrageenan. Osmotic diuretics are pharmacologically inert substance mannitols that are filtered in the glomerulus but not reabsorbed by the nephron. Osmotic diuretics are poorly absorbed, which means that they must be given parenterally. If administered orally, mannitol causes osmotic diarrhea. Mannitol is not metabolized and excreted primarily by the glomerulus filtration within 30 to 60 minutes without any important tubular reabsorption or secretion. Example: sorbitol and lactulose. Dose 10 gram twice a day with water. Small amount of water. Side effect: nausea, cramps. These are the side effect of osmotic diuretics. Next, lubricant laxative pharmacologically inert. Mineral oils. It act on intestinal lumen. It is fecal lubricant and stool softener by decreasing the water absorption from the stool. Example: liquid paraffin. Dose 15 to 13 ml per day at bedtime leads to deficiency of fat soluble vitamin. Surfactant laxative, luminally active laxative, and anionic surfactant which soften the stool by decreasing the surface tension of fluid in the bowel. Sometimes it acts as wetting agent for the bowel by emulsifying the chlorinic content, which facilitate the mixing of water in the fatty substance of feces. Example: docusate sodium. Some important points of saline cathartic. Saline cathartic act by increasing the osmotic loads of GIT. They are salt of poorly absorbable anions, biphosphate, phosphate, sulfate, tartrates, and soluble magnesium salt. Saline cathartic are water soluble and are taken with large quantities of water. This prevents excessive loss of water from the body fluids and reduce nausea vomiting. If a hypertonic solution should reach the stomach, they act in the intestine and full cathartic dose produces a water evacuation within 30 to 3 to 6 hours because of their quick onset of action. They are given early in the morning before breakfast. They are used for bowel evacuation before radiological, endoscopic and surgical procedures and also to expel parasite and toxic material. A small amount of these drugs may absorb in the blood causing occasional toxicity. The absorption of magnesium may cause marked CNS depression while that sodium worsen the existing cognitive cardiac failure. Compound used as saline cathartic: sodium acid phosphate, sodium biphosphate, NaS2PO4 is to 2S2O, molecular weight 156.01, IP limit it contains not less than 98.0% and not more than 100% of NaS2PO4 calculated with reference to dried substance. Properties: colorless, odorless, crystalline powders with saline acidic taste, freely soluble in water and practically insoluble in alcohol, slightly deliquescent. Preparation: it prepared by adding phosphoric acid to hot concentrate solution of disodium phosphate until liquid seizes. To give precipitate with barium chloride, the solution is then concentrated to crystallization point. Second point, by reaction with phosphoric acid with calculated quantity of sodium hydroxide. Test for identification for phosphate to neutral sample solution. Add silver nitrate solution. A light yellow precipitate forms, the color of which is not changed by the boiling and readily soluble in 10 m ammonia with dilute HNO3. For sodium, 2 ml of solution, add 2 ml of 15% of K2CO3, heat to boil, no precipitate is produced. Add 3 ml of potassium antimonity solution and heat to boil. Allow to cool in ice and if necessary inside the test tube with glass rod, white precipitate is produced. Assay: weight accurately 2.5 gram, dissolve in 40 ml water, titrate with carbonate free 1 m NaOH, determine the endpoint potentiometrically. Each ml of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide equivalent to 0.0780 gram of NaS2PO4 is to 2S2O. It is used in saline cathartic as buffer. Pharmaceutical patients usually acidify the. Thank you.